picking up the pieces of me that you discarded. So this is what they talk about when they say broken hearted. Thought I was a together kind of person, the type who had a handle. As fate would have it, I'm exploding like a Roman candle. And it's pretty in the sky. Such a beautiful way to die. But I want my sparkle back. Why does it always fade to black? I got that ignition at the beginning of something. Really got me going and let me fizzle to nothing. You couldn't hide anything you wanted from me. I'm a catch. I look up to you so much, it's a shame you never noticed that. And it's pretty in the sky. Such a beautiful way to die. But I want my sparkle back. Why does it always fade to black? We